Baby, why are we in the middle of nowhere?
Well, baby, we are out in Bunker Hill, Florida. And why are we here? We are here at the Bunker Hill Winery and Vineyard. So keep on watching. Are you ready, kids?
Ready?
So we made it to a parking space. They have a veterans only parking space. Really cool entry there. Sorry that we're having to do a voiceover here. Marcy over there waving at me. But once we got here, we found out that I forgot to pack our SD card for the camera. So we did not get to use our camera. Marcy's hot. It's about 90 degrees out here.
It's about 150 degrees.
So she's ready to go get some cool air, and I want to look around right quick. And then kind of find out our mic didn't work, so we couldn't use that camera. So we had to revert to our phone, and you'll see that picked up here shortly. So I didn't get a lot of the footage that I wanted to walking around here. I kind of lost it with all this colossal, but we made it in, and I'll let Marcy tell you about what we're looking at here.
This is a beautiful walkway fence made with recycled wine bottles, concrete, and rebar.
Yep, I've never seen anything like that before. But
Because you don't get on Pinterest, honey.
oh, okay, I should get on Pinterest, she says. But anyway, we're gonna go inside here. It's a small winery. Nothing big, nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. And the couple that are here, they are amazing, super friendly folks, and they know a lot. Why is it called Bunker Hill?
Well, Mr. Bunker owned it, and there were 3 little, I don't know, provinces, I don't know, but anyway, after a number of years, it all just became Bunker Hill.
So after we got inside here, as you can see, there's a huge selection of wine. You're greeted by the owners here. They are gonna tell you. There you go. Tell you how it works. So once you are seated, they will give you these menus. And what it is you pick 5 and they pick 1 for you. And once you pick your 5, then they'll surprise you with their selection, what they want you to try. And I would say that the one that they picked out was probably the best one out of all 5 that I had.
It was definitely.
Just match your numbers. See, they're numbered 4. Just match them up to there.
5.
But what we will start with first is our sparkling.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and bring that out, and we're going to. This is a blueberry sparkling. You're going to taste it first, and then you can see it's going to be dry.
Oops, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to
Oh, that's
stick you in
all
my
right.
nail.
It's delicious, but it is dry.
Oh, it's actually very good.
See, isn't that good?
It is.
Yes. Now, you might want to take a couple more sips of that before you put this in it. It is excellent. Okay, here you go. Blueberry jam. Whole fresh, made here for fresh blueberries. So you're going to take about that much and put in there, and you can scrape it off with this spoon because that's cold. So you're going to do that, and you're going to smash it up, move it around to the sides. You hold your glass so just and squish it all around. It's not pretty, but boy, is it going to be good.
Squish it, squish it, squish it.
Squishy.
So you can squish it here. You ain't got to stomp the grapes. You just squish it here.
Made with blueberries.
He's referring to that Lucy and
Oh, the
Ethel.
Lucy.
Remember that one? That was my favorite
That was her
episode.
#1 watched show.
Was it really?
Every Lucy show ever made.
I
It's
love
an
that
icon.
episode.
All right, now sip that and sip it sweet enough because you can always add more, but you can't take it away.
Oh no, it's perfect. You gotta taste it.
In fact, that's
Instant sangria. And when you get to the bottom, you just empty, you just eat the
that's
jam
actually
right out
Sarasota.
of the
Canyon.
bottom.
pretty amazing.
Free Canyon. It's St. Pete.
It's
Sarasota.
different. I've never tasted sangria that tastes.
Oh wow,
Isn't it
that
good?
is so good.
We did. We had this
I've
young
never
lady
heard of
who
doing
How
that.
easy
That's
that
amazing.
is.
And that's the blueberry
Blueberry
jam.
jam. Yep, and we
Blueberry.
make that here. I make that right here.
And see, look, there's my jam right there.
Oh, yeah.
And you use a little spoon and you can eat it right out of the bottom.
No, I need a spoon.
Just Isn't that good?
Anyway,
It really is.
she graduated.
Take
Wow.
it to a whole different level.
She joined the Peace Corps.
It's very different than anything I've ever tasted before.
327.
That's the way you should do
No
it.
electricity. In a hammock.
What do you think?
That was her bed.
Wow,
It's easy to
that's
clean,
good.
you just
Is it?
stir
That's real good. Here, you try it.
You taste it, then I like to say, I'll
Her
heat
dad
that up
actually had
for
to
you.
send her a solar charger for her phone that she put on the
It
roof.
reminds me of my grandmother's
So if you charge
wassail.
this, there's no electricity.
That's
Yeah.
actually
The reason
delicious.
she
Okay,
did
now I'm gonna heat
was
that up.
because
Okay, now you can always make this hotter. I didn't want to get it too hot. So just taste it warmed up a little bit, just see.
Warmed up. Now this is warmed as if.
we should.
You know,
Oh, that's
If
so
nothing
good.
else, when you
It's,
do
it's,
step
it's
back up,
It's
very,
dangerous.
Shores into America.
yeah, I could drink that all
You'll
night.
appreciate what, because here's how it works. The feds, the TTV, and the state the winery's in have to approve all wine labels before a winery can print them.
Really?
What?
So the state of Florida was
Wow.
not a problem, never a problem. They're easy to work with. The feds are a different story. When you submit the label, because they have to pre-approve them before we can get them printed, we submitted the tomato label. They had a big discussion. They couldn't figure out if it was a fruit or a vegetable. They literally, it took several months to get it approved.
Imagine.
Because they had to go to some professors at some colleges, they put their blessing on
Had
it.
to reinvent the wheel a few
It's
times.
crazy.
and-
We said, well, it's a fruit. Everybody, well, we have to verify that. I'm just telling you. The feds didn't know that, but now they do.
Wait a minute, I forgot what I
Alright.
said. Oh, this is strawberry.
Strawberry.
Yep.
Strawberry's a good choice too.
Oh yeah, that's lovely.
Is that all yours?
So that was all mine. My favorite one, I think, was strawberry.
Strawberry was your favorite.
Well, no, I mean this was my favorite.
Yeah.
But out of the little ones, the strawberry one.
Okay. I have to put on my glasses because my eyes are burning.
Mine been burning too.
Okay, my eyes are burning, so I gotta wear the glasses.
Or his picture said I was better with shades.
I'm just cool like that.
And just cool like that.
This is banana. Let's give banana a try. It's okay. Where's cucumber? It smells good. Got a good smell to it. Taste is good too. Walt Disney said that.
You just gotta put it on the door.
That is going to wrap up this short little video. Sorry for the technical difficulties, but we had a blast here. We plan to go back in maybe a couple weeks and try some more stuff. If you like this video, please hit that like, subscribe button. Let us know you care. Give us a thumbs up and check out some of our other videos. Until next time.